Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your VIVO IQOO U5X louder. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play Store app and choose for the volume app in the search bar. Choose one of them. I'm always using the volume booster Goodiff. Click no thank you or yes agree 3 times and close window. Choose OK and the tool is active. If you want to increase your volume power, just swipe the slider to the right. You can see the 60% is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And now, if you tap on the home screen, the tool is still active. If you close it from the background apps, the tool is still active. If you want to turn it off, open the app from the home screen or from the background apps, choose stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.